Okay, hello YouTube, and it's time for more Dragon Knight bashing with the review of the Kamen Rider Ryuki Legend Rider series belt. On the box we got Ryuki and Knight, as well as the Ryuki logo. I think this is a Legend Rider series Kamen Rider Ryuki belt or something. And then some other things that we won't get into. Some things, a picture of the belt, that sort of thing. I don't really want to spoil anything, but on the back of the box, it basically just shows you what you get, and it's actually the assembly instructions and everything, because there is no other instructions. Yeah, put the deck in there, but do not put the cards back in when the deck's in the belt and that sort of thing. So there's a certain way to do it. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to do the first part sitting down because I have a few things to say. So you get this with it, which is the Ryuki deck. It comes with 4 cards. I'll show you what they are in a minute. You get the Ryuki deck, and of course you get the Knight deck. Now, one thing I actually noticed even before I got the figure when I was actually looking at it, I'm pretty sure this is actually in the show too, you just don't really notice it. The Ryuki deck is black, with, you know, some nice gold accents with, and for the symbol, and then the silver stuff for the accents and that. But the Knight deck is dark blue. I didn't even notice that. I did not notice that. Okay, so the cards you get are I'll just pull them out of the cards right now. I'll put them back in for the actual wearing of the belt. I don't have the belt on me right now, but you know, the reason why I wanted to do it like that is because I brought out these, which are the Dragon Knight cards that I got. I'm just going to be taking the relevant ones. Wait, I think I'm missing one. I am missing one. Shit. Somehow my survive card for Knight got lost. Well, I'll have to find it because that's a really valuable card. Shit. Okay. So the reason why I did that was because... Okay. So you get the Advent card and the Final Event card for both. Okay, this is the one for Ryuki. And this is the one for Dragon Knight. They both say Drag Rider, but this one I think is more... This one I think is more show accurate than this one, because on the back of it, we got that. Yeah. This is Dragon... This is Dragon Knight. This is Ryuki. And I'm sorry I still suck at that. As you can see, English, Kanji. And this is Avant deck. And that just says Avant card. No, they will say Avant card. Shit. This card is very extremely simple in design. This one is not, but I think it was basically just the merger of the two. Like the original Ryuki one looked like this because it had to go in the what you call it, drag visor. And then here we go with the Final Event cards. This is the one you get with the belt. And this is the one you get for frickin' Dragon Knight. See? Damn it. Yeah. Ryuki. Dragon Knight. Ryuki. Dragon Knight. Yeah. And then we go on to the ones for Kamen Rider Knight. Now there's a really big difference in this one, because this one, if you actually look, it says Darkwing. Darkwing, which is his actual name. On this one, for some reason, they couldn't use Darkwing, so they called him frickin' Blackwing. Blackwing. Same frickin' monster. Stupidest frickin' name. Same picture, same everything. I'm sorry, whenever I look at the monitor, my frickin' brain tells the wrong hand to move. Yeah. And then, of course, it's the same with the final event card. This is the one you get with the belts. This is the one we got with frickin' Dragon Knight. Same picture. Stupid card. Good card. Stupid card. Good card. Stupid card. Now I'm really glad. Well, no, wait. I'm going to get into bashing the Kamen Rider Dragon Knight Advent belt by telling you what I know by watching a couple videos of it, and then showing you my my belt. But first, I have to put all the cards back in here. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so that is card. Get back there, you useless pieces of crap. Okay, so we got the final event card, and we basically just slide it in like that, and then we slide it so the actual solid advent card thing is actually going into the bottom, and then like that really weird mirror-y kind of watery thing goes in like that, so that the ryuki symbol is actually down, like the logo for the series, and then we just close it like that. I do love the fact that they used like vacuum molded foil for that to give it a really nice metallic glow. And it's the same with, I'll get into more detail with this one. Basically just open it up, there's a hinge. Hinge goes all the way like that. I think it can be popped off, but I'm not going to pop it off. There's actually a spring here, so you can fit cards in there. I was actually able to get all of my, all of the Gombrite cards, as well as the two for the cards in that in there, but it doesn't exactly, like, close very good. Okay, so we just slide the cards in like that. And there we go. And we're ready to rock. So I'm going to get everything all ready for the standing stuff. And I'll see you in a minute.